3, 2, 1.
Today we are in central London where we are providing the AV and our DJ for a fashion networking event. We are transforming an office lounge into a networking space where fashion stylists and designers can exhibit their products. At the same time, guests can enjoy immersive experiences such as getting their hair and makeup done. We've got our DJ who's going to be playing some real nice background vibes. It's a networking event, so we obviously still want our guests to be able to talk. We have our DJ booth that has a screen built in, which is great because we can showcase content. We've put in a sound and PA system, disco lighting and uplighting for the perimeter of the room. This one is going to be a great event. Check it out.